Hello traders, the title of the video is NASDAQ-100 Technical Trader gives trading tips in 2017. NASDAQ-100 Technical Trader gives trading tips in 2017. Let's get started. All right, we're on a yearly chart of the NASDAQ-100. And as you can see, we are now above the high of 2016. So that high was at 4992. So what we can say to traders, as long as the NASDAQ-100 is finding a support above 4992, we must give priority to bullish signal above 4992. On the other hand, if it goes below 4992 and finding resistance, we will be giving priority to bearish signal below that level. So do not forget 4992, the high of 2016. We are above it and it's looking very bullish. If the price forming higher lows and higher high, it is bullish. And also it is in a rising channel going fast. Okay? That's all we can see on the yearly chart. Very important. Another thing I want to mention to traders, very important. You can see here that from 1990 to 2000, we have this bullish trend followed by a sharp correction. At the top of that trend, we can see that the market became very, very bullish. You can see this long candlestick bar. All right. So be aware that now that we are going a little bit vertical, a vertical price progression is a distortion to a certain degree. So if you want to sell the NASDAQ-100, be careful because of what has happened here. All right, especially if you are holding a big position short in the NASDAQ-100. Just remember that at the top of the previous trend, the market did run very fast. Okay, long tall candle. So if you are selling, be very, very gentle. Otherwise, you may be taken up very fast. Up. So that's all I want to mention to traders on the yearly chart. We are above the high of last year, 4992. Be aware of the volatility at the top of the previous trend. Let's go now to the monthly chart, okay? On a monthly chart, I want to point out to traders that we are now above this critical resistance level. You see this resistance here. So the previous trend, the top of it, you see this one here. I'll tell you that level now. Okay. That high at 4816. All right, 4816. We are now above that high, this one, the black line on my chart, 4816. Very important key level, 4816. Note it down, 4896, very important key level. Apart from the 4992, which was the high of last year, 2016, you want to remember this level, 4816. In fact, if you are trading NASDAQ-100, you shouldn't forget this key level on the monthly chart, 4816. We are above that level. We break through it, and we are running away from it. All right, you see, we're just running away. So the next resistance that the market is watching now is this one here, which I talked about it before in another video that I posted at 24, digit 2, digit 4, 24, Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right, that level of 5408. So that's the level that the professional are watching. Also, right now, okay, so yeah, that's what we are watching. Right, it's heading towards 5408. Also on the monthly chart, as I've been counting wave here, you can see my wave count on my chart and the channels. We are now in a fifth area wave, and the market is topping up, but at the same time, the market is also bullish. The market sentiment is becoming bullish because of the election of a new president in the United States. But we are in a fifth area where we are likely to see a triangle at the top of the market, giving us a warning that anything is possible. A breaks above that triangle or a break below will determine the next price action. So don't forget, all right, the high of last year, all right, and also the level of 9816, okay, on a monthly chart. We are in a fifth area wave, no question about it, on the monthly chart. Looking at the monthly chart, I'm referring to the market cycle on the monthly chart. We are in the fifth Elliott wave. All right, and there is a resistance at 5408. Apart from that resistance, if we reach that level of 5408, there is a very important key level that you need to note down somewhere that you want to remember all the time. This level of 6590. 6590 is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior trend, the trend that we have in 1990 to 2000. If you apply Fibonacci extensions to that trend, you will see that the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level for that trending phase is at a 6590. All right? The challenge for any bullish trend, all right, after breaking above the high of a prior trend, the challenge is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. So if you do not know what I'm talking about, it means that you have to subscribe to the Pro Trader YouTube channel and watch every video about Fibonacci extension there. There is a playlist about Fibonacci extension. You want to watch it and understand what we are talking about here. So prior trend, this is the top of it. We brace above it on a monthly chart. The next challenge for this bullish sentiment, for this bullish progression, ultimate greedy challenge or resistance is 6590. Please don't forget this level if you are trading the NASDAQ-100. But for sure, for the medium term, we have a resistance which we cannot deny at 5408. So, where we are now is better. I mean, personally, I think people should be day trading the market at this point in time to bring it gently near 5408. If you are swing trading, be very, very cautious. Use tiny stop loss. Don't gamble it, okay? Will it reach 5408? We will see. If it goes above it, breaks the ball, retested around and find a support of display bullish chart pattern, bullish candlestick bar or higher low, well, we will watch also the median line between the 5408 and 6598, somewhere in the middle here. All right, median line 5996, call it 5996. All right, this is how the professional trading. We are in a fifth area wave on a monthly chart. We taken out the top of the prior trend. The 138.2% Fibonacci extension is at 6590. There's a resistance at 5408. Decisions are made by the professional trader and the tight phone around those key level and trend line. So the market is quite bullish for the NASDAQ. It's quite bullish. You can see there we have the first blue channel. See this section here between this blue line and this one. Now we go above it. Now we are going above the second bullish channel. So it's quite bullish. So if you project our channel one more time using market geometry, you see that we are coming to this section here. I'm trying to adjust, extend this one, you see. Okay, without distorting my chart. All right, so this is what's happening. We are in a fifth area wave. There's a resistance at 5408, and also we are now on the edge of the top of the channel. All right, it will be nice to push it to 5408 to see the reaction of the price in that zone. All right, this is what we see on the monthly chart. All right, previous resistance or previous trend taken out. We are in a fifth area wave, resistance at 5408, greedy target at 6590, you don't want to forget that, and 5996, the median line between 5408 and 6590. before I forget, the first long-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ-100 in 2017 that we do not want to forget is at 4905. This is it. The pink line here. Okay, that's the 4905. Do not forget this key level. It's the most influential, the first influential key level in 2017 for the NASDAQ-100. It's at 4905. If you're a position trader and investor, you need to know the first long-term equilibrium price level, 4905. Will it pull back one day to retest this level? We will see, but don't forget it at all. 4905, 4905. Okay, I'll get your attention now. The current short-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ-100 is at 5024. It's the orange line here, 5024. This is the first. This is the current short-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ-100. As a day trader, swing trader, you want to know where is the current short-term equilibrium price level. It's at 5024. That level will remain in place until the end of February. 5024 short-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ-100. Long-term equilibrium price level 4905. First, that's the first long-term equilibrium price level. Price heading to 5405. We are in the fifth Elliott wave. Okay, so gently for day trading purposes, one step at a time. All right. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to wrap it up very fast. On the weekly chart, you can see that it's a beautiful, gorgeous, all right, price progression. The intensity of the trend is quite strong. Price galloping. Will it go into the second projection of our channel? Okay, we will see. All right. This is so I'll draw a median line for that channel already there. Color the median line into green and leave it there. And you can do exactly the same thing on your chart, so you can know exactly where can I look for trading setup. You have to look for trading setup around those key levels. We are now on the edge of that trend line. All right, breaking bull, retest, next resistance 5408, breaking bull, retest, next resistance, median line, breaking bull, retest, next resistance 5996, breaking bull 5996, next resistance, trend line, breaking bull, retest, okay, and so on up to 6590. Right now, the monthly chart, I'm saying this because I want you to not to forget it. You may say, Joe, you're repeating yourself 100 times. I heard you. Yeah, that's okay. We are in the fifth area wave. Though the market is bullish, we are at the top of the market on the monthly chart. There's a high channel. We may see a triangle, and anything is possible before, okay, the next price action. This is the end of this tutorial about the NASDAQ-100 technical trader gives trading tips in 2017. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.